Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep. And today we are going to discuss the top questions of signals and system part 1. So we will discuss the questions of signals and system in the three different parts, right? So that is the part 1, part 2 and part 3. So in the some of the session I will take the questions of the basics. Sometimes I will take the questions of Fourier transform, and similarly we will go in that way. So let me know first that whether my voice is clear or not. Yeah, so there are students coming live. Guys, quickly watch, like the session and tell me whether the audio and video are absolutely fine and you are ready for the session or not. Quickly, just tell me, are you ready to solve the question? So I will start putting the questions in front of you. So guys, before starting the session, let me introduce myself. So this is Saket Verma, and I have done MTech from IIT Guwahati. And yes, Vanya, yes, good evening. So I have done MTech from IIT Guwahati, and I am having more than 13 years experience in the field of GATE and ESE. And I have cleared the different PSU exam as well, Airport Authority of India, DRDO, Bharat Electronics Limited. And my area of expertise are electromagnetic theory, communication system, signals and system, advanced communication system, and ICT. So you can join my Telegram group if you want the PDF of this lecture. Then you can join the PDF and you can tag me if you want the PDF where you generally get the daily dose to improve concepts, daily important questions, latest information about the examination notification and the upcoming class links. Okay. And UPSC ESE mains results are out, and if you are interested to give the mock interview, then you can join the mock interview. Just share your result with the our team, and the link is given in the description. From there you can share. Yes, Vinay, good evening. So this is the first question, and I'm giving you 5 minutes, or in fact 3 minutes to for every question, and after that I will give you the explanation of every question. The question is not visible, I guess, so let me hide myself for some time. Yes, now solve this question. Hello, good evening, Arghyadeep. So start giving the answer in the comment section if you are already if you have already solved it. I have given 3 minutes time because the students are still coming. Yes, Agnika Mukhopadhyay. Yes, Ananta Khanna. Good evening. Yes. Hello, Parth. Good evening. Yeah, so maximum of you are getting the answer as C. Check your answer once again. Many of you have got the answer as C. 1 minute left. Still, I will suggest all of you to check your answer again. Let me draw the diagram here. This is the unit step in this case, -1, and this is the exponential having amplitude 2, starting from 1 in fact. All of you check your answers, those who have given answers, whether you have given C or D, you can check. Yes, Ananta, very good. Aragyadeep, yes, you are also correct. Yes, now Sagnika also has changed her answer. The signal is in this side. This is the original signal. So don't be in rush when you solve the problems. Look the question carefully. Yes, Parth. Yes. Now everybody has changed their answer. So before answering the question, always try to see the question carefully. Okay. Just don't give the answer in the fast way. It is also important to solve the question in the correct way. Okay. So in this question we have this is the unit step signal and having the amplitude 2, and this is the exponential signal starting from the amplitude 1, and this signal we want to represent. So this signal is represented by e to the power minus t ut, okay, and this signal is starting from -1. So if you draw the ut plus 1, that is ut is starting from t equal to 0, for t greater than 0 it is 1, and if I take the ut plus 1 simply, or you can say if I take this u folded minus t, okay, u of minus t if I take, then I will get this, but it is starting from 0. Now I want it to start from -1. So what I have to do, we generally perform the advanced operation. To shift towards left, we perform the advanced operation, but because it is folded, we will perform the delay operation. So when we perform the delay operation, we will get ut minus t minus 1 will start from -1 and will go up to 1. So this part is u of minus t minus 1, and now combining those two, we will get x of t equal to, yes, e to the power minus t ut plus u of minus t minus 1. This is our final answer. So answer is option D. Okay. Now solve this. The time limit may be more for some of the students, but don't worry because I have to take care of all the students. So that's why I'm giving you the standard time, 3 minutes for every question. So RDK Technologies has got the answer as option C. Arin Gupta is saying option B. You have last 1 minute. Now option B is saying RDK. Anyone else? Come on, guys. Other students should also answer. Last 30 seconds. B. Okay, there is a T also, obvious. That is obvious that there is a T missing. Okay, so here you can see that differentiation and integration, these does not change the frequency of the signal. Okay, so differentiation does not change frequency of the signal, that is true. Okay, it does not change the frequency of the signal, first thing that you should know. Now we have the signal which is 2 sine 60 pi t whole square. Okay, whole square divided by pi t whole square. Now we can write it as 2, this is 4, in fact you can write 4 sine square 60 pi t divided by pi t whole square. So from here we will get 1 minus cos 120 pi t upon pi t whole square divided by 2. Okay. Now this term is having the signal frequency, maximum frequency 120 pi divided by 2 pi. So that means the maximum frequency is 60 Hertz. So what is the Nyquist rate? The Nyquist rate is 2 times of maximum frequency. That is the minimum sampling frequency, which is 2 into 60, and it is equal to 120 Hertz. Now this is not the previous year questions. These are the fresh questions. 120 Hertz. So answer is 120 Hertz. Yes. T is there by default. It is obvious. You could have asked previously. FM is the maximum frequency of the signal. Okay, Shio. FM is the maximum frequency of the signal. So, how do you get the frequency of the signal? Maximum frequency of the signal. Because Nyquist rate is given as twice of maximum frequency of the signal. The Nyquist rate is given as twice of maximum. This is the Nyquist rate. It is direct formula. Okay. Now answer this one. And the PDF of this will you will join if you join my Telegram group, then you will get the PDF of this session on my Telegram group. Just tag me once you join. So some of you have already got some answers. Telegram group name, let me show you the Telegram group name. This is the Telegram group. Just let me share the my Telegram group here. Yes, Ananta, so you can see this Telegram link. The name of the group is Electronic by Saket sir, okay, or Electronic by Saket only. The last part is UN minus 2 in the option C. In the option C, if you are interested in option C, then the last part is UN minus 2. Why option C? Yes, very good, Arin. Arin is going in the right direction. Sorry, I'm giving you 1 more minute for to solve this question. The students, those who have given answer A, you guys have to check whether your answer is correct or not. Option A, this is U means unit step, and in this particular signal which I have drawn, there is no unit step signal. UN plus 2. How do you draw UN plus 2? UN plus 2. UN plus 2 is the signal like this. UN plus 2 having the amplitude 2, and 2 into n plus 2, 2 into un plus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So this will be the 2 un plus 2. So those who are giving the answer 2 un plus 2 should think that how you get this answer. Option A. You guys are just taking the coefficient of this. This is 2, so you have written 2. This is minus 2, so you have written minus 2. This is 3, so you have taken 3. This is 1, so this you have taken 1. Okay, so now if you solve this, this is 2 un plus 2 I have already drawn, and if I draw minus 4 un plus 1, so it will be starting from minus 4 magnitude and it will start from minus 1. Okay, it will start from minus 1. So this will cancel our whole signal. This is 2 and this is minus 4. So it will be minus 2. So here it is given as minus 2. Okay, at minus 1. Are you getting now? So when I take these two signals, this is my minus 4 un plus 1, minus 4 un plus 1. So if I take minus 4 un plus 1 and 2 un plus 2, I will only get the signal which is at minus 1. Minus 1 we have amplitude minus 4, and here minus 1 we have amplitude 2. So this is 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2. Minus 2 at n equal to minus 1. So you will get this one. Now these two you have got. Okay. After that, by subtracting the first two terms, you are getting these two impulses. Now let's take 3un. So how do you draw 3un? So this is the magnitude 3 and this is un. So this is your 3un. Okay, this is your 3un. Now you are taking 2u n minus 1. Okay, 2u n minus 1. N minus 1 when you will subtract. So this is 2u n minus 1. When you will subtract, you will get only 3. This is the amplitude 2. So 3 minus 2, you will get 1. Okay, that means 3 minus 2, you will get 1, this one. And 3 minus 2, you will get 1 at 1 also here. So this will give you minus 3 u n minus 2. Okay. So the right answer is option C. So you just draw all these signals and you can take the difference. You will get these impulses. How many of you have got this? When you subtract these two, 3 un and 2 un minus 1, you will get n equal to 1 sample. And then when you add minus 3 un minus 2, then you will get the last sample also. That is 3. Okay. Next. Answer this question now. Yes, answer this question. You have approximately 2 minutes. Oh, a decade. That's great. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for commenting it here, your experience, because I was not aware that you have taken these courses. And RDK, you can watch my signals also. I have also taught the signals and system in app. So if you have already, did you take only 2 subjects or complete subject, complete course? So no one has got the answer, so I will still wait for all of you. The discrete time Fourier transform of this is given by x of n e to the power minus j omega n. So I will give you more time to solve this question. I am giving you 2 more minutes to solve this problem. Think of it. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. So you have used like because the 20 lectures are free, so you used the 20 lectures from one account and then another 20 lectures from another account like that. That is the good idea you are telling the students if they want the subject-wise syllabus in the BYJU'S, then how to take the course in free. Huh? Nice, nice. Okay, so let's discuss this thing. So x of omega minus pi is given. So we know that if we have x of n, then the Fourier transform is x of omega, that is the discrete time Fourier transform I am talking about. And then if you multiply with e to the power j omega naught n with x of n, then you will get x of omega minus omega naught. Okay, so if you can see that omega minus pi is given, that means it is e to the power minus j pi n x of n, and then we have x of omega minus pi. So what is your g of n? So our g of n in this question will be e to the power j pi n and x of n. Okay, so now e to the power j pi means we can write the cos pi n plus j sin pi n. Okay, cos pi n plus j sin pi n and then x of n. So cos pi n is minus 1 and minus 1 to the power n in fact, and this is x of n. Sin pi n will always be 0. So this will be our x of n. So now we have got g of n, sorry, this will be our g of n. Now we want to calculate the summation n equal to minus 2 to 2. So this is summation n equal to minus 2 to 2 g of n. So we have to write the summation n equal to minus 2 to 2 minus 1 to the power n x of n. So if I put minus 2, then it is x of minus 2, plus if I put minus 1, then I will get minus 1 x of minus 1. If I put 0, I will get x of 0. When I put 1, I will get minus 1 x of 1, and if I put n equal to 2, then it is x of 2. So minus 2 we have 0 value, minus 1 we have value 1. So this is minus 1 into 1. X of 0, what is x of 0? That is 2. So this is 2 plus x of 1 is minus 9 into minus 1, and x of 2 we have minus 5. So minus 5. Now this is minus 1, this is plus 2, this is minus minus plus 9, and this is minus 5. So we are getting, oh, that is the mistake actually, n equal to minus 2 to 2. Okay, that will obviously be minus 2 to 2. So from here, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 minus 1, 10, 10 minus 5 is 5. Na? So what answer is given as 6, I think in the options we have 6 only. Let me check once. G, okay, the limit, okay, okay. There is a mistake in the question. Yes, there is a mistake in the question. N equal to 5 is right, but the limit in this question is 0 to 2. This is 0 to 2 actually. According to the option, it is 0 to 2. So no problem. If we solve this, summation n equal to 0 to 2 g of n, then it is summation n equal to 0 to 2 minus 1 to the power n x of n. So 0 to 2 means this part. Okay. So this part means 2 plus 9 minus 5. So that is 6. So answer is 6. So according to option, actually this misprint in typing error. So you can ask in between the question also, Arin. If suppose you find any mistake in the question, then you can ask in between the question, because uh, I have not proofread it, because I got these questions just half an hour before the class, so I could not check the PPT. So there may be some typing error. Okay. Now answer this one. Cos t ut. What is the odd part? Hello, Ramesh. Good evening. Good evening. So you have 1.5 minutes left to solve this problem. Yes, Arin, you have got the answer. D is not visible. Okay, Ananta, you can check once. I will hide myself. Yes. Now, are you able to see that? Okay, so answer A you are getting. Answer A you are getting. So let me come again and I will discuss this question with you. Okay, so here it is given that odd part we want to calculate. So odd part of any signal is given by x of t minus x of minus t divided by 2. Okay, and we have what is x of t? X of t is cos t ut. So this is cos t ut. Cos t into ut minus of cos minus t and u minus t divided by 2. So here you can see that this cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So cos t ut, and this can be written as cos t only, and this is u minus t divided by 2. So in this we have 1 by 2 cos t and ut minus of u minus t. This we will get. Let's draw this ut and u minus t. So when you draw this ut, this is the signal, and when you draw this minus of minus ut, this will be the signal. Okay, so this will be ut with the magnitude 1, this is t, and this is minus of u minus t. So when you add these two, okay, when you add these two signals, what you will get? You will get 1 and minus 1, which is ut minus u minus t. This is nothing but the which signal? Signum 1 by 2 cos t, signum t. And because it is asking for t less than 0 only, it is asking for t less than 0. So when you will draw the cos signal and the signum from here, this is the cos signal, this is positive part, this is negative part, this is cos t. Okay, and what is the graph over here in this t? So this is t. So at t is equal to pi by 2, it is 0. Here it is minus pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2 minus pi. Okay, so minus 2 pi, like that. This is 0. Okay, now when you will multiply with this signum t with the amplitude 1 by 2, okay, now suppose this is, you can say, the 1 by 2 cos t. Okay, so 1 by 2 cos t I have drawn. So the meaning negative maximum is minus 1 by 2. Now this is minus 1 by 2, this is plus 1 by 2, and you are multiplying with minus 1. So this part will become negative, this positive part will become negative, and this negative part will become positive. So now it will be like this. in the negative cycle because I am drawing for t less than 0. For t less than 0, the multiplication of signum t with 1 by 2 cos t. So here this is the negative one. It is also negative in this duration. So up to minus pi by 2 it will become like this, and here minus pi by 2 to minus 3 pi by 2 it will become positive, so with the amplitude 1 by 2. So this will be our answer. So here you can see minus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2. So answer is option C. Correct? Have you got this, Ananta? Yes. Option C will be the right answer. Are you getting? Hello Vignesh, good evening. C incomplete. Yes. Option C is the right answer. What is the problem here? What you are not getting? अनंता, क्या नहीं समझ में आया आपको? देखो यहाँ पे आपको क्लियरली दिख रहा है, ये यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया होगा आई थिंक. 1/2 cos t समझ में आ गया. 1/2 cos t को सिग्नम t से मल्टीप्लाई करो, तो सिग्नम t से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, यहाँ पे मैग्नीट्यूड निगेटिव है और यहाँ पे इसका मैग्नीट्यूड इतने पार्ट में क्या है, पॉजिटिव है. तो पॉजिटिव को निगेटिव से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, निगेटिव आ जाएगा. तो ये निगेटिव पार्ट आ गया जिसका एम्पलीट्यूड -1/2 रहेगा. ठीक है. उसके बाद माइनस पाई बाय टू से लेके -3 पाई बाय 2 तक, -पाई बाय 2 से लेके -3 पाई बाय 2 तक ये पूरा का पूरा क्या है, निगेटिव है. और निगेटिव को निगेटिव के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, ये वाला पार्ट भी निगेटिव, निगेटिव निगेटिव मल्टीप्लाई करोगे पॉजिटिव आ जाएगा. तो ये वाला पार्ट आ गया. सिग्नम टी यूटी और यू माइनस टी को करने से आया ना. यूटी और यू माइनस टी को जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो इसको आप सिग्नम लिख सकते हो, और नहीं भी लिखना है सिग्नल तो भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आपके पास ये सिग्नल है यूटी माइनस यू माइनस टी, ये सिग्नल है. अब इस सिग्नल को आप कॉस से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो. आप इसको सिग्नम मत देखो, चलो ठीक है भूल जाओ सिग्नम को, अगर सिग्नम नहीं पता है तो ये सिग्नल को आप मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो. तो आपने यहाँ पे इसी सिग्नल को मल्टीप्लाई किया, इसको सिग्नम ना बोल के यूटी माइनस यू माइनस टी बोल दें, तो ये ठीक है. यूटी माइनस टी, ये ठीक है. चलो इसको सॉल्व करो. Answer you are getting in A. और किसी का कुछ आ रहा है? अरिन का A आ रहा है. We have 30 seconds left. Arin, check your answer. Your answer is not correct. So I would like you to check once again your answer. Impulse train. DTFT of the impulse train. Okay, let me give you one more minute for this because no one has given the answer right now. Correct answer. Until and unless you don't get the correct answer, I will not, any one of you at least, I will not move forward. Okay, so I think nobody has got the right answer. See, we all know that if there is a signal like this, okay, suppose this is the impulse train, as Darin also said, है ना Darin? तो ऐसे ही होगा. ये अगर देखो impulse train है, continuous impulse train है, ये impulse train है, ये -n से लेके n तक. अगर कोई फंक्शन है मान लो f of n, ठीक है, तो इसका डिस्क्रीट टाइम फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म क्या होता है? इसका डिस्क्रीट टाइम फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म साइन ऑफ ओमेगा, ठीक है, कितना n प्लस, यस, n प्लस 1/2, okay, divided by sine of omega by 2. So sine of omega by 2 you have in all the options. Yes, n plus 1/2, correct. Now you have to choose what value of n. So let's take, for example, if I take n equal to 2, then it will be the impulse from -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. This is n. This is x of n. Okay, this is my x of n. Now you have to convert it into the given form. It is starting from 0 to 3. So if I shift it by 2, if I suppose shift it by 2, this is my f of n. This is my f of n. This is my f of n. So if I shift my f of n by 2, then what I will get, if I shift it by 2, then I will get the signal starting from 0 and it will go up to 1, 2, 3 and 4. but my original signal which is given in this question is not having any impulse in 4. Okay, this should not be there. So how to write our x of n? So our x of n is f of n minus 2, and this impulse at 4 we need to subtract. So minus impulse at 4 we need to subtract. Now, if I take the discrete Fourier transform x of omega, so from this we will have e to the power minus j 2 omega, it is shifted by 2, and then sine of in bracket omega n is 2, so this is 2 plus 1 by 2 divided by sine of omega by 2. Okay, and then it is e to the power minus j 4 omega, and the discrete time Fourier transform of impulse is 1. So finally we will get e to the power minus j 2 omega sine of 5 omega by 2 whole divided by sine of omega by 2 minus e to the power minus j 4 omega. No problem. You have solved almost all the question correctly, but this question you have done some small mistake again. कोई बात नहीं, अच्छा सॉल्व किया आपने, क्योंकि सारे क्वेश्चन थोड़े अच्छे अच्छे थे. बेसिक क्वेश्चन बट स्मॉल ट्विस्ट. सारे क्वेश्चंस में बेसिक क्वेश्चंस के साथ एक स्मॉल ट्विस्ट एडेड था, और आपने सॉल्व किया. यस, सो सागनिका ऑल्सो गॉट द राइट आंसर. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी. Okay, anything else you want to ask me? Anything else which you want to ask? DFT and DTFT, okay. EMFT का लेक्चर अभी अपलोड नहीं हुआ. कौन सा लेक्चर? देखो यहाँ पे ना, जिनके पास भी फुल कोर्स नहीं है, दे कैन अटेंड अवर स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट जो 17 सितंबर को यानी कि कल हो चुका है, और ऐसे ही हर संडे को सुबह 9 से 9 रहता है, तो लिंक उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको मिल जाएगा. और 20 सितंबर को यानी कि परसों वेडनेसडे को आपका वर्कशॉप है, जिसमें आपको थोड़ा आइडिया लग जाएगा कि कैसे आप 80 मार्क्स ला सकते हो 75% सिलेबस के साथ. ठीक है. EMFT 2 बैच 4 में, अच्छा. और उस कंसर्न को रेज करना पड़ेगा, आप मेल वगैरह कर सकते हो. ठीक है. और जिनके पास भी फुल कोर्स नहीं है, वो देखो ये क्रैश कोर्स भी आप ट्राई कर सकते हो, है ना. लिमिटेड सीट्स बचे हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, क्रैश कोर्स के लिए लिमिटेड सीट्स रखे थे. तो अगर आपको कोई भी, आप इलेक्ट्रिकल के हो चाहे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के हो, तो इस नंबर पे कॉल करके एक बार ट्राई कर सकते हो, इस नंबर पे कॉल करके. क्योंकि अरिंग, जो तुम्हारा इशू जो तुम बता रहे हो कि लेक्चर अपलोड नहीं हुआ है, वो एक्चुअली टीम के हाथ में है, मेरे हाथ में तो नहीं है. डाउट में रेस किए थे लेकिन कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया. अच्छा, इस नंबर पे एक बार कॉल करके ट्राई कर लो. इस नंबर पे कॉल करके भी ट्राई कर सकते हो आप, है ना. उनसे अपने क्वेरी रेस करके देख लेना, ये जो नंबर दिया हुआ है इसमें, जो आपका कस्टमर सपोर्ट नंबर है. ठीक है. और ये मेरा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप है, तो अनंता, अगर अभी आप टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं किए हो तो ये टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर लेना. ठीक है, क्योंकि कल भी हमारा सेशन है सिग्नल्स एंड सिस्टम का, है ना. सिग्नल्स एंड सिस्टम का सेशन कल भी है हमारा, और कल भी हम लोग करीब करीब वही 5 to 10 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे, अच्छे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे, है ना. 5 to 10 क्वेश्चन हम लोग कल भी सॉल्व करेंगे, टुमारो एट 5 PM, है ना. सो टुमारो एट 5 PM, सॉरी 4 PM ना, नॉट 5 PM, टुमारो एट 4 PM. आज की टाइमिंग जो थी ना वही रहेगी, टुमारो एट 4 PM. तो कल शाम को 4 बजे हम लोगों की और एक क्लास होगी सिग्नल्स एंड सिस्टम की. फिर सिमिलरली मेरा एक सिग्नल्स एंड सिस्टम का एक और क्लास है, ये आपका वेडनेसडे को होगा. ठीक है, ये वेडनेसडे को होगा. पार्ट 3, ठीक है, पार्ट 3 वेडनेसडे को होगा 4 PM। तो इसको देख लो आप एक बार, ये शेड्यूल देख लो, क्योंकि अगले कुछ दिनों तक मैं कुछ अच्छे क्वेश्चंस कराने वाला हूँ आप लोग को, सिग्नल के, कम्युनिकेशन के, ईएमएफटी के, ये तीनों सब्जेक्ट के क्वेश्चंस मैं आप लोगों को कराने वाला हूँ अगले 2 वीक्स में। तो अगर आप लोग का रिस्पॉन्स अच्छा रहेगा तो आगे और भी क्वेश्चंस कराऊंगा नेक्स्ट मंथ, अक्टूबर में, नवंबर में, दिसंबर में, और अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस आपको, फ्रेश क्वेश्चंस कराऊंगा, रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन नहीं कराऊंगा। बट उसके लिए आपको अटेंडेंस थोड़ा अच्छा रखने की कोशिश करना है, ठीक है। So don't forget to download the BYJU'S एग्जाम प्रेप ऐप। एंड उस ऐप में देखो, अभी मेरा ऐप में ना 5:30 को एक और क्लास है, 5:30 PM एट बायजूस ऐप, ठीक है। तो जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स अभी देख रहे हो आप, अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक डाउनलोड नहीं किया है बायजूस एग्जाम प्रेप ऐप, तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको एक लिंक दिखेगा, उस लिंक में जाके आप ऐप डाउनलोड कर लो। यहाँ पे मैं आपको कराने वाला हूँ क्विज, क्विज सेशन है, क्विज सेशन ऑन 2 पोर्ट नेटवर्क, ठीक है। 2 पोर्ट नेटवर्क पे मैं आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस कराने वाला हूँ अभी, आज शाम को 5:30 बजे ऐप पर, आज शाम को 5:30 बजे ऐप पर, ठीक है। तो ये वाला आप नोट कर लो, और अगर अभी आपने ऐप डाउनलोड नहीं किया है तो ऐप इमीडिएटली डाउनलोड कर लो, ठीक है। चल, मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट सेशन में। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस सेशन। Let's meet tomorrow and today at 5:30, tomorrow at 4 PM. Thank you.